Saif is one guy who has no ego hassles and is completely carefree.
करीना को लेकर है सैफ overly possessive. Just the way he signs shows signs that he's either insecure about Kareena or does it say that he feels and behaves like a really snooty नवाब? इसका भी मिलेगा आपको लकीर के फकीर पर ही जवाब.
सैफ की एक ही वर्ड में अगर डिस्क्राइब करूंगा सिग्नेचर, then it will be short and sweet. The way it
he
is
is
written,
also short and sweet.
बिल्कुल. In fact, the way it is written, if S is completely, perhaps मुझे लगता है कि बहुत अच्छी तरह से creatively लिखा गया है. Plus, he has also seen a long way. जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं, Saif has been around for the longest time.
He had to struggle quite a few years before he finally made his mark in the industry.
और A और I का जो एक formation है, वो भी काफी मुझे लगता है कि एक दोनों साथ है. तो again, coming from a rich family, coming from a very influential family, he has got no airs about himself. Is totally a guy who has no ego hassles, is completely carefree. और जहाँ तक F का सवाल है, F का जो ऊपर का जो horizontal line है, which is actually going backwards also. अगर आगे जा रहा है वो अच्छी बात है, but जो पीछे जा रहा है, which is also indicating that कहीं ना कहीं उनके life में he has really gone through a lot of struggle. और कहीं ना कहीं एक वापस एक struggle वाला phase उनके life में आ सकता है, which I want him to avoid.
काफी बार ये हमने सुना है, there are a lot of stories that we keep hearing, you know, every now and then, that he's extremely possessive and obsessive about Kareena. So where do you see that?
In fact, वही है जो S और A, if we see, they are merged with completely. So वो एक मुझे लगता है कि सैफ की quality है which
बहुत चिपकू हो जाते हैं अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स के साथ.
Exactly. A little bit of space between S and A would have really helped him, and I'm sure he will follow this.
I think Kareena's trying to get in between that and create the gap.
I also feel so.